Hi, we are Letty, Josh, and Little Hugo. Join us as we explore a beautiful corner of our home state of Queensland where the forest meets the reef. Welcome to the tropics. Breakfast, sitting on the beach, and then we've just been having a little bit of a play and a walk along it too. Beautiful day. We've got gorgeous sunshine today too, which is nice. A little clouds about, but yeah. And now we're going to go for a little rainforest walk. Last time we did this walk, we saw lots of wild animals. We saw pigs, we saw sharks, and we saw a cassowary with his little babies as well. As we walked along this wild, remote beach, squalls of rain swept in from the sea. The water droplets falling on the land where this ancient rainforest grows, nurturing the lands and quenching her thirst. Our footsteps were the first on the beach this day since the last high tide, and we enjoyed looking for washed up treasures while we kept our eyes open for any local animals that lived on her shores. Spotted a huge cassowary. It's always so special, isn't it, Josh, when you see a cassowary?
Yeah, really cool.
We spent our final afternoon here on this special stretch of sand and reminisced on all the times before that we'd stood here in the exact same spot. The first time as newlyweds, dreaming of our life ahead, and then when we were heavily pregnant, imagining what our lives would soon look like, and now with our beautiful toddler in tow. We feel so grateful to be able to return to this place, sharing it with our toddler, exploring these wild places together as a family. He might not remember these small moments as he gets older, but we know that it forms the fabric of who he is becoming as he grows up, and these memories become part of the stories we share with him along the way. We really hope that you enjoyed coming along with us on this adventure. Let us know if you enjoyed it, and subscribe so that you can come along with us next time.